Welcome back to our channel. My name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at Pro Lemon. In this quick video, we'll be guiding you as to what things you can check whilst doing YouTube SEO. Awesome. So let's dive straight into it. So as you can see here, I'm navigating to our channel, which is Pro Lemon SEO, the YouTube channel, where we actually, by the way, you're probably on right now. Please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment right down in the description below. Tell us what do you enjoy most about these videos, because we do release them on a daily. Now, going back to the video as to what things you can look out or some guidances while doing YouTube SEO. Awesome. So I have a third-party extension. It's actually called TubeBuddy, and I have two. I'll cover in the next video. So practically, TubeBuddy is a godsend in the sense that it gives me really good information about a YouTube channel. Like for example, let's say we are doing competitor analysis for a specific client YouTube channel. We want to see what keywords they're ranking for, um, how many views they have, the videos they have, and so on. So this just little overview right below the home tab just gives us a nice overview. As you can see here, it gives us the main keywords. You can always copy the keywords and you can try optimizing for them as well. So this is a really great tool. So this is channel analytics, as I mentioned, and of course you can customize in the last 30 days. So as you can see, the progress that has been there. So yeah, it's really cool tools to always highlight. Of course, there's basic things and it's also premium, so you can always sorry, for feedback. Yeah, click on the dashboard, so it sort of tells you as you can see, my license and so on, and different aspects about it. So stay tuned. Definitely will highlight some things in regards to YouTube SEO that you want to highlight. So yeah, using the tool. So let's just hop on a quick video. So let's hold on, Deepak Shukla here. So let's just go on one quick video. Just want to give you some things that you want to keep in mind while you optimize for your website as well. So you want to make sure that your title tag, or the title of your YouTube channel, is optimized in the sense that it has various keywords that is related to the topic that you're doing. So how to find keywords, you could use tools like Google Trends, TubeBuddy, as you can see how it works. Keywords everywhere, as you can see we have it installed here, so it sort of tells me the click per cost, the trend, the volume, and so on. Something that you always want to idea, as well as your description. You want to have your description outlining every single thing that you are highlighting in the video, as well as the various keywords and so on. What's pretty cool about Google is now we're going into a digital place where people would prefer watching a video on how to do it rather than just been reading through it. So you really want to highlight so that you have great chances of ranking high for that specific keyword that you're going for on Google search results on SERPs. Then people will be directed straight to your YouTube channel. So it would be really great to do so. So I hope you found this video really useful when keep in mind SEO trends such as getting the tool called TubeBuddy, very essentials, and we highlighted what it does when you're on the channel, as well as keeping a title tag in the title and in the description, outlining exactly what you're going to say in the description. Even add time, that will really help with that, as well as we highlighted keywords everywhere. As you can see, it has different keywords that we can always rank for. So as you can see, this is the tab that per video. Maybe that's something that we'll highlight in the next video. So definitely stay tuned, leave a like, comment down in the description what you found to be useful, and subscribe to our channel. Till the next video.